All right, got a car here, 2006 Honda Accord. We're gonna take it for a test drive. All right, the problem with this car is, as soon as you press the brake pedal, low speed, high speed, he starts to see the steering shakes, the car shakes, everything pulsation in the pedal. So today, I'm gonna show you guys if you have this issue. Usually a lot of cars, if it's a minor, you'll feel it as soon as you hit 40 mile per hour, you press the brake pedal, the car will start to shake, steering will start to shake, the pedal will start to pulsate. That's a sign you have bad rotors. All right, we did back discs on this one, so we're gonna do front ones today, and I'm gonna take it for test drive. So you guys gonna come along and check this car out with me. All right, so let me get in the car. Here we are. Start it up. We're gonna go around the block and just feel the car and see what's going on here. Right, so we're gonna go to reverse. All right, we're just gonna go around the block, all right, because he tells me it's really bad. If I need to, I'll go on the highway, but most likely it's not gonna get to that. This is my friend's car. He tells me I'm gonna feel it right if we're going around the block. Well, I feel it in the pedal already. There you go. The pedal is just bouncing. The steering, I can feel it. The whole car is just swerving. Imagine going like 80 mile per hour, right? So I'm gonna wait till this light turns green, then I make this right turn, and I'll push the car a little bit faster on the next block. All right, the light is green. I'm gonna make a right turn here. Then we're gonna make another right turn. And over here, I'm gonna try to push it a little bit faster. There you go. Oh, the whole car shakes. All right, pretty much bad pads, brakes and rotors. So we're gonna replace the pads and rotors. Stay tuned to watch my videos, guys. That was a small test drive, 2006 Honda Accord. Any car, if you feel that kind of pulsation in the brake pedal and your steering shakes, you feel pulsation in the pedal going back and forth, up and down, that's bad discs. All right, even if you put the brand new discs, 2 months later your discs go bad, that's a sign also. All right, so anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, watch the rest of my videos, and that was a small test drive together, guys. I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos like that. If you guys have any questions, send me a message. All right, so guys, I got the disc removed. All right, so there it is. This is what was causing pulsation, brake pedal shake every time you brake. So I'm removing all this. Let me get this disc off. Look at that condition in the back. All right, terrible. So this little guy right there will cause a lot of shake, all this. All right, so this is in terrible condition. All right, so do the job really good, change the disc, put new brakes, make sure this thing is clean. All right, the surface in the back, because that will also cause pulsation. Even if the rotor is a little bit crooked, it might be not as bad as it is, but still. All right, guys, so thank you for watching my videos, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like all my videos. If you need any diagnostic help, send me a message with the full detail of the car and what kind of problem you're having. All right, so again, thank you. Subscribe, share, and like, and watch all of my videos.